In this video, I'm going to talk about 1xBet promo code Casino. This is very easy, but before we continue, I have something special for you. I invite you to create a professional 1xBet account, and to do so, you simply click on registration. Next, you click on buy email, and here you're going to fill all your personal information. Now at this section of promo code, you enter the promo code UTV, and by using this promo code, you get a bonus of 300%. So if you top up your account with $100, you get $300. Now, once you are registered using the promotion mentioned earlier, you'll get a bonus amount as mentioned earlier. So what you have to know is also that bonus money is able to be used in 1xBet Casino section. So what is 1xBet Casino section? You're only going to click here at the top on Casino. Here you're going to find out all of these popular games that are casino games available for you to bet with 1xBet. So what you're first going to do is to click on the menu icon at the bottom right. Next, you're going to click on your total amount. Then you're going to select your bonus money, because when you have it, you have a section of bonus account. You're going to click on it to select. You're going to click on it to select it, and once this is selected, you head back directly to the casino section and play whichever game using the money from your bonus account. And it's as simple as that.